Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning from the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, must a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, today, June 1st, marks the opening of the court system here locally, meaning that the courts have now opened their doors, and matters that were before the court, before what has taken place worldwide, are now being looked at once again. Now, fans are wondering if this will signal any changes in Vybz Kartel's current situation. Now, as stated before, local defense is in the process of retaining international representation for courts internationally. Yeah, because our local attorneys will not be flying out to conduct or be a part of the court case itself internationally, and that's how it works. Now, as we know, viewers and subscribers, money and nothing to worry about. Leading attorneys from England will be retained. What as the Vybz Kartel has already proven to us is that dancehall is, of course, a very lucrative genre of music that should be respected. The teacher has shown us with his recent gold plaque that songs released years ago still make money today. Plus, the recent released album to Tanisha has made groundbreaking records in sales. Yeah, no album locally since 2020 for no local artists they make that amount of money there. Not even the Rapture album by Coffee and Big R. Not even that. Think about it. Definitely something to think about. Now, viewers and subscribers, as I said, once that phase has been completed, then yes, we will be announcing, the names of the attorneys who will represent the teacher's case internationally. But no doubt what has taken place worldwide has slowed the process. As I see, even court was closed, even though there was a island-wide curfew in which you could be detained. And remember, you don't want to get to your lawyer so you can, you know what I mean? But as one lead attorney from the island, I think Mr. Champagne did point out in the Dexter Daps case, lawyers weren't permitted to move after the hours where regular civilians weren't permitted to move either. Them couldn't move around either. So even the court system was really and truly affected. So no doubt it slowed the process of even retaining international representation because, certain things weren't really being discussed. But don't feel like say we weren't prepared. Don't feel like say, this just happened all of a sudden. No. What has been happening before our very eyes, viewers and subscribers, is that what was always planned, what was the main option, is now unraveling. However, what is taking place worldwide now has not stopped that, but has also presented an unforeseen obstacle. Nobody never knows that this is going to go on. That's the truth of the matter. This is what was unforeseen. We never did know that the world go through a pause where, businesses, schools and them things that are closed. The court would have locked. We never know that. You know what I mean? Yeah, you don't know normally summer break and this and that normally take, but it wasn't that process. We always knew that we got to retain international representation, and that would be the next leg of the situation. You know it go. So the fact that this has taken place worldwide, it really, of certain things on a standstill, and people are saying, alright. But this will go on without a hitch. The process is documentation. That's how they know. You know what I mean? That is where we are at this point in time. Documentation. So we are gathering all the documents together that those who will represent Vybz Kartel internationally will have all that is needed We don't want it to be a case where them over there and them say, yo, just that one document that it help the situation if we didn't know so that are taking place. So everything is being sent over. Everything from what happened with the initial trial, and you know the amount of paperwork when it take place on that. Plus with what happened in the appeal, and you know the amount of paperwork when it take place there. So plus what happened have to be documented. Because you know whatever the judges say and lawyers did say and you know experts in the field did say. All of that was written down. And now that will now be added to the file so that international representation can have them file it and know say, oh, this is what was said by experts in the field when it pertains to the vice notes where they must say them convict or them retain original conviction based upon. So even with that being said, viewers and subscribers, everything has to be documented. And that phase they're right now. Where we're going to retain international representation and we're going to document everything will take place. From the initial trial to the appeal. We're going to box it up. And you know, we are getting the necessary transportation to get it over there. And you know, yeah. So it makes us expedited very speedily too. So I don't like say, yo, them have to wait long to get the documents. Things and times have changed. But even that though has slowed somewhat. Even the movements of, you know, basic goods and commerce. Even that was slowed by what took place worldwide. So yes, you say, oh, nothing was unscathed. Means that nobody escaped. No business, no. Everybody was either affected indirectly or, you know, the situations was the places where you normally go and the way you normally live your life. That had to change. Even the fact say you just have to wear masks now. No, it has changed something for you in some way, shape or form, whether you notice or not. You know what I mean? Yeah, when you're going to a business space, them now let you in and them see your mask up and you know, even that has changed for you. So it has changed a lot of things in a, you know, a lot of different ways for a lot of different individuals. And it has slowed down the process of a lot of different industries, a lot of different situations. We can't even name a majority of them right now to the list long. But even court proceedings were affected by what took place worldwide. You know what I mean? So yes, the fact that courts have opened locally, has it signaled any change in the Vybz Kartel current situation? Well, lawyers are now fully back to work. So, you know, they are no longer working on a certain set pace, even though building requirements are still there based upon what took place worldwide. But they are now back to work full force. So we can look out for here some good news soon and very soon. You know what I mean? Of who will be representing the teacher as the documentation process been, whether it's 50%, it's completed, and we are about it. You know what I mean? Get it to who need to get it. We got to discuss all these things. So, you know what I mean? By God blessing, we have some good news to go soon and very soon, viewers and subscribers. You know the something go. I do go on worldwide is a good look to see, you know? Things slowly returning to some form of normality. Even though I must say some serious things are going on internationally. Very, very, very serious. No joke, no. No joke, no. You don't want to say I take place internationally. I mean, and it's there upon the platform too, so you can pay attention to what go on if you choose to. You don't have to talk about it. You don't have to tell you, you don't have to put no link. It's there. I know you see the video then. You can click on one and really see what it look like and what take place. The situation look very serious. You know? And by God blessing that hadn't occurred here. So, you know, even though I would think that some of the security forces tried. Even the youth, you know what I mean? The youth that the same dream was to play football and everything then. Even with the lady, Miss Bogle. Must see them try some things like them want what take place internationally if it take place locally. Must see them try. When they want to see, that's a deep reason. That's alright. But it's the one called Jayden Chase. Dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. This is how you know will be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right yourself on the platform. Like icon, then the share icon is right there as well. Drop a like on the blog for my life. Where your share icon is in close proximity to the like icon. You can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines right here on the platform. But other than that, drop a thought, comments and your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section too. So you know what I mean? Yeah, don't be afraid to drop a comment there. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam, and we no need no ladder. And the quick recap is court doors have reopened locally. What does that mean? Vybz Kartel current situation, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, now move settings, and we no need no ladder as stated before. And my sentiments for you and yours are gonna live, love, and prosper until the reason again.